Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Praveen and you are watching Techie Praveen. So in this video, we are going to see how to implement drag and drop feature in Flutter. And by using this feature, we are going to create a matching game like you have seen in the beginning of this video. So let's get started and see how to create a matching game by using a drag and drop feature in Flutter. So I have created a new Flutter project in the name of matching underscore game, and this is my main.dart, and I'm just going to show you my pubstate.yml. So I have added one dependency, that is font underscore awesome underscore Flutter, and the version is 8.4.0. So I am going to remove all my code from my main.dart because I'm just going to write all my code from scratch, and I'm just going to fast forward all the code of this video because it will save a lot of time of yours and mine. And after completing the code, I'm going to explain you each and every meaning of code line by line, so that you will understand the code very easy. And if you are facing any problem, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely going to resolve you as soon as possible. And I'm also going to upload the source code in the GitHub, so you can easily download it from there, and you can ask me any question anytime on my social media account as well as my YouTube account. Guys, my code is ready and it's working fine. So now let me explain you my code line by line. So basically I have imported the basic package of material.dart, and this is the awesome font.dart. We have already imported the package for this, that is font awesome Flutter. You can change the version if you are facing any issue with a particular version. And then I have created one stateless widget, and using the void main and all, giving the debug check mode false. And then I created one stateful widget in the name of home page. And now inside the home page, firstly I have created the body part. Basically created a single child scroll view. Inside this I have given the score part, and given the text style as a green color, font bold. Basically this is a score part. Whenever user drag something correctly or wrongly, it will reaches a plus score and a negative score, and then gives the condition if game over. So what is the game over there? So basically game over is I have used as init game. Inside in this game I have used game over equals to false. That is a boolean value. By default the value is false, and the score is by default 0. And then I have used a list of items, and inside the items I have used font awesome icons, and this is the basically this is the font icon I have used. So if you want, you can also use some particular image by using icons equals to image icons, or you can also use some text instead of this. So this is the basic things I'm trying to import and use. So you can use anything like image and anything else. It's all based on your requirements. And then I have created a second list that is in the name of items list 2, and items dot shuffle, it will always shuffle the value. If you restart my games and play 2 or 3 times, you will see the both the option means image icons and image text both are shuffling from their position. And then I have created basically if and else conditions, that is if game over is not null, then it will check it will gives the color as a gray color, and feedback icon equals to teal, and child is also as a teal color I have used. And then I have given the spacer to give the space, and then I use the items dot two dot map. So basically what items 2 dot map you're going to use is to calculate the score, right? So this is the basically if and else condition to check the score and all. So I have also used the one leave function object. So basically it also it works as a receive item, so it will change the state whenever user is dragging one image to a correct position or a wrong position. So this is the basic code I have used. Also, I'm going to upload the source code of this video, so you can easily download it from the GitHub and use it on your machine. And please read it down when you download it and try to run it. Please read it down each and every lines of the code, and I'm assured that you will definitely be able to understand each line of code very easy, because it's a very basic and very easy steps I have used to create this. And if you are facing any issue, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to solve your problem as soon as possible. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you are facing any issue, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to resolve your problem as soon as possible. And you can also give a star to my repo as well. Thanks a lot.